Yo, how's it going, EDM YouTube? So we're at Forbidden Kingdom for day 2. Day 1 was fucking amazing. It rained a little bit, but we kind of got through it. So day 2, we have an extreme lineup. I think that we're ending with Slander, back-to-back Subtronics, and then we're going to an after party with Subtronics and Boogie T. Who knows what's gonna happen? Maybe you'll see Pasquale again. But yeah, great pictures, great vibes, great people, great sets. The lasers intense. So yeah, get ready for day 2. Okay, so it is 3:42 and we've just left Eric's house. We're all heading down there now. It rained for a little bit, but it only rained for like 20 minutes. So we kind of just wait till the rain passed and then, yeah. Here with Chubby Wubby, little cameo, no big deal. I'm here with Colin, this guy's really famous. And then Zach is a PE teacher. He likes physical fitness with kids. And then that's,
Jeez.
I was told this was secure parking, but they just told us to park on the side of the road.
Secure is locking your door nowadays.
And we didn't even do that. Did we do that?
Did you lock the door, Sam?
Please lock this door. I have my laptop in there.
Sam. Sam.
Hey, buddy.
Hi. Love you. Love you.
He does. Truth. I can attest.
We're here, we're walking up to the entrance. So
Here's the camera. Any wise words for tonight?
Love yourselves, love each other, be kind, drink water, don't be a dick.
And if you tend to cry, do it in the porta potties like a normal person.
Do it with your friends.
Where to get water? Water, drink your water. Look who we found!
Hold on, wait, go again, go
Wait, is that mine from my house?
It is.
Can we talk about how you were making fun of it last night and you were like, oh, I didn't think
Whoa, wait a minute. I know you guys. Wait a minute. Look at their outfits. What are we doing? What are we wearing? Gang, gang, gang. Of advice for new ravers? Wear sunscreen. Wear sunscreen. Do you have any advice for new ravers?
Suck dick and take names.
Suck dick and take tons of names. Do you have any advice for new ravers?
Keep going and keep on doing fucking thread.
Keep doing things. I like that. You look pretty hot.
Yeah, I am.
Do you have any advice for new ravers?
Just get fucking lit.
Yeah, just get lit, dude. Just do it. Yes, I'm just chilling, doing my thing. Oh! Totally unexpected. I didn't even know they were there. I met them at the caverns. Blood cave, baby. Give me that titty.
You can't just sneak that shit up on people.
You're looking for your totem. Okay, I'll be right back.
There's no way you think I'm no anyone's sitting in that shit.
It's not working out for me.
Suckers, you better duck off, cause it's 2000.
Go back. Good to see you again. Good to see you too. I'll cut it, I'll snip it. This is Nettie. This is Nettie. Oh my God. Can I have your autograph? No, please no pictures. I'll sell it for $1 million. Do something cool. Next.
Am I popular yet?
No. Do something cool!
And then he took his helmet off. Underneath his helmet, he's a cyclops.
Still Hot Boy Summer, bitches! Hot Boy Summer, baby! right, so we're walking back from the greatest set I think we had of this weekend.
Yeah, that was insane.
So Slander, back-to-back Subtronics was lit. That shit was so good.
Insane.
Insane.
Crazy. Speechless.
So I don't know what we're doing right now. We're trying to figure out the game plan. But I think I'm gonna end the video here and now. Had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.